Good morning, folks. So this is Stephen Johnson versus Chemtrails. I'm now back. The first video I shot was inside of my apartment. It's actually 8:50 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's April 2nd. It's approximately 45 degrees outside. And the main reasons for these videos this morning is not so much to document chemtrails, but to document microwave towers, microwave radiation, and things of that nature, and all of the surveillance and everything that goes with it. Now, this building here right across the street from me, as you can see, they have them pointing down. You can see it right there. One there. They actually have one sitting right behind it, and then they have another one in the corner right there. So, after you finally realize the technology behind microwaves and aluminum, I know it's kind of a funny theory, but spontaneous human combustion really doesn't exist. It's actually because of the aluminum oxide and everything that's been inhaled through the particulates, through these aerosols, through these airplanes. And of course, as you know, with microwave radiation and aluminum, it's a metal, really doesn't work too well. That's basically where you can get the idea of spontaneous human combustion. Now, as you can see right here on the top of this building, same one. There's another one right there. You can see it. Matter of fact, it's right there. And then we have another one right here on the corner of it, this top of the building. Now, this is crazy. This is one of the bigger microwave transmitting towers. This is actually on the same block as my building. This is actually one that I never got a chance to photograph from behind it. However, the one that's across the street, I actually had gotten a chance to record the internal workings of it last year. And this one right here is another microwave tower. Oh wait, this is just the beginning, folks. Wait till I get to the main thoroughfare and the main business district of this area. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Right there. I actually filmed this one this morning from my window. I actually pointed it out and made a statement that I was actually up on the roof of this particular building and actually videotaped and recorded it from behind. This is what it looks like in front of it. These are all microwave transmission towers that they're using around here. Everybody's being bombarded by these rays and frequencies and things of that nature, and they wonder why people go crazy in this part of the Bronx. We are being bombarded by this crap. No one wants to take the chance. Take the time to put two and two together and come up with four on this. Instead, everybody's got this idea, oh, he's a conspiracy theorist this, he's a conspiracy theorist that. No, when people start dropping dead and start blowing up in front of your face from spontaneous human combustion, then you'll fucking understand what the hell's going on here. So as we continue to the Fordham part of the business section of this East Fordham Heights, I'm going to show you the rest of the microwave antennas that they're using out here. Now, of course, funny thing about it is my building has absolutely no microwave towers on the top of them, which is a blessing. Unfortunately, everybody else behind me and around me and in front of me has them. So, prepare to hold yourselves for this one. This is going to be a lengthy video on this. Like I said, I have recorded, well, This is actually going to be the first time it's been recorded and documented. I've counted over 30, possibly 50 different microwave towers within a block or two radius of just where I live alone. And being bombarded with these kind of frequencies and energies, it's just not doing the human body too good. And on heavy spray days, God only knows what this shit's doing. Alright, we're coming to the part of the busy section of East Fordham Heights. I'm actually going to be coming to 188th and Creston. On East Fordham Road is going to be the next intersection past this. Alright. Now, I won't even know where to begin with this one. Just as we approach one of the business intersections of this area, right there, folks, right there, more microwave towers. This is absolutely ridiculous. Right here, folks. We've got this, and on top of this building, right there, guys, that one and this one as well. Now, watch this as we go around to the front of this building. There's more. Right here. Right there. As you can see, the sky in the backdrop, beautiful. Not a cloud in the sky. Not one air, well, of course there's air traffic, but as you can see, there's no chemtrails sprayed this morning. It's a very quiet, calm morning here in this part of the Bronx. Now, right there, look at that. Look at that, right there. See, everybody's showing different cell towers and microwave towers and things of that nature. Yes, they use a lot of those, but a lot of the microwave technology, cell technology, things of that nature, they're actually planting it to the tops of buildings. Basically, of course, you know, had the controversy with the smart meters causing a lot of frequencies and radiations and this, that, and the third. And supposedly, they've actually gotten to the point where they're actually going to start taking out smart meters. Because they supposedly found out. And look, here we go. Right here. All three corners of the building. All three corners. This is just absolutely maddening. Absolutely maddening. And this one right here. I wish I could make out the labeling. These days I might get a different camera, a better camera. And these are the microwave towers everybody's been talking about. This is what's causing a lot of problems. Now this is just within a 1 block distance of my house. Okay? Now, I'm going to take it further, 1 street back. That's a beautiful morning. Not a cloud in the sky. Let's see how long this lasts. Hope you guys are enjoying the sights this morning. I don't do tours of the neighborhood too often. Alright, this is 1 block over from my apartment. Okay? I could go further back. I could go a couple more blocks. But from these 2 or 3 videos that I'm going to shoot, you definitely get the idea of what's going on here. Okay, have I found another building with microwave towers on it? Is this one? No. Okay, those are just... There's breather pipes for toilets and sinks and things like that. I know this much. One day I'm going to do a video on how many video surveillance cameras are just within this short distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Damn, that's 10 I've just counted right there just in a few feet. Yeah, police state, nanny state, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, that's for another conversation. We're dealing with chemtrails and microwave radiation this morning. It's a nice neighborhood. It's a beautiful day. Not too cold. It's actually about, what, 45 degrees this morning. Winds are about 8, 9 miles an hour. Oh, it's gorgeous this morning. Now, what's really funny is the next one building I really do want to show you. It's a little strange because it has a fake, actually has a fake wall on it. And the fake wall is actually hiding microwave antennas, which is a little scary.
Guys finding this closed.
I know, this is the second time in a week they're closed.
Right?
Maybe they shouldn't treat customers bad. Okay. This building that I'm going to show you has a fake front to it. I think this is something, well, of course, it's being used to hide. This right here. This is the one we're going to be looking at. That is a fake cover. And as you can see behind it, there's actually a microwave transmitter behind it. See that little box in that window right there? That's it. That box in that window. And if I move over, don't get hit now. People out here in New York don't know how to fucking drive. If you look inside the second window, there's another one. They've actually built that up around the microwave towers to conceal them. And it looks like they actually kind of knocked out the windows. It's not even, from down here, it looks like they were just hit with a hammer. Yeah, look at this. Perfect. They're concealing them. Like I said, folks, this is like 20, 30 of them just counted within one block. Here's another fake wall on top of this building. And of course, behind this fake wall, just like this one up here, it's another one they're concealing the microwave towers behind, so as the people are not to see them. Wonder if it actually wraps around the build. Yes, it actually wraps around the building. Yeah, it actually, they actually concealed it. That one can't be seen. Let's see here. So, yeah, just to give you an idea of what's going on. And that's just basically within a 2 block radius of my house, my apartment. And look, from standing here, you can see the top of my building. This is my building that protrudes out. As you can see, there's nothing. There's absolutely nothing up here. We have no towers on the top of this building. Nothing. We're probably one of the few buildings that don't have this. Now there was another building around here that I saw. Unless, no, that was probably it. Well, as I said, folks, this is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. And this morning, this was basically done for microwave technology, different types of towers that are around, the bombardment of frequencies and microwave radiation and everything else that's coming down on us and that we're being hit with on a daily basis. And of course, as you know, microwave technology is in junction with chemtrails. And as I explained this morning, spontaneous human combustion is really not as spontaneous as you think. It's because of all the aluminum oxide that we inhale, primarily aluminum oxide. It seems to be the irritant that's used in chemtrails. And then when we get blasted by microwave technology, that's when the body explodes. So until next video, stay awake, stay alive, look up, ask questions. Peace, guys.